in the city of Gruene, Texas. It's a cold day. Looking at the tables that they have outside, the grapevine, beer and wine, gifts and eats. Looks like a fun place. It's a chilly 36 degrees out today. Kind of a cool place. There's a fire pit right there. Calling it the oldest new shop in town. Looks like a great place to sit and relax. The Gruene General Store. Old Coca-Cola sign. Original Gruene Mercantile, founded in 1878 by Henry D. Gruene to serve families working on the cotton farms. Quite interesting. There's old Willie, farm aid, 1985, September 22nd. Old poster of Elvis Presley for Buffalo, New York at 8 p.m. Saturday 21st, 1956. Elvis in concert. Wow, cheap tickets. $12.50 to $15. Doors open at 7, showtime at 8:30. Here's the old Green Hall. And the water tower behind it. Some construction going on in town. Little miniature golf course, it looks like. Take a walk through. Place for the kids to play. There's your old golf cart right there. Like that old riding lawnmower in the back. And somebody's cat gonna come through the video, maybe. Yeah, there goes. And some big old boots. Saddle way back there. Golf clubs and a 55-gallon whiskey barrel. This is the old private office of H.D. Gruene Jr. in 1923. German immigrant farmers were the first settlers of this area. Which was originally called Goodwin. Henry D. Gruene established a large cotton farming operation here in the 1870s. He built the mill, the dance hall, and some land for the school in town, and it became known as Gruene in 1903. Lots of history. Interesting old sidewalks. You can see how much ice we had. Look at the ice on that little bench. It is cold, but starting to warm up a little. Oh, looks like the little garden area is closed. Open daily, 10-ish to 5-ish. Well, it's 1:43 or 1:53 and it's closed. The bottle tree. Looks like a bunch of old window frames over there. Dancing bears. The Green Mission Inn. Quite the old house. Beautiful, actually. Didn't notice this before, but this must be the old cellar right there. Old F-100. Don't know if you can see the fountain way back there, but it's still going and it is frozen up. Walking through the back again. back of the hotel, looking down at the river. And the little balconies they have at the hotel for the guests. Stained glass window there. There's the old windmill. Some more of the patios. Rustic. Very cool. The corn crib. There's the old water tower. Quite the old town, old Gruene. Looks like another great restaurant I need to try. Try our fire roasted chicken. Cool off with a fresh lime margarita.
Especially because they got music.
Back standing by the restaurant waiting for my wife. We might go in and have something to eat.